Bonjour everyone. Today we are going to do a little bit of French grammar related to geographical places like countries and cities. So if you are going to a particular country, you're coming back from a particular country, how do you say that? So for that you need to know a few names of cities. It can be a village or a town as well. For example, Paris, New York. I live in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, anything. Any small village or a town also can be small islands like Haiti, Cuba, Madagascar. These are also like small cities only. Of course, they are islands, but they are also dealt like cities in the French language. So, what about countries then? Countries, all continents and states have genders. That means all the spellings of the countries like China, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland, India, England, Germany, Spain, because the spelling ends with E, they're all feminine countries. But Mexico, Mozambique, Zaire, Zimbabwe, Cambodia and Belize are exceptions. Even though they end with E, they're all masculine countries. So now we know that there are cities and there are feminine countries. Then there are masculine countries. They don't have E at the end. For example, Canada, Japan, Brazil, Portugal, Morocco, Luxembourg, Pakistan. They don't have E at the end. Of course, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Israel and Oman, they also don't have E at the end. However, they start with vowels. So let us recollect. We have cities, we have feminine countries, we have masculine countries, and we have masculine countries which are starting with vowels, and we have countries which end with S. That is États-Unis, Pays-Bas, Philippines. So all these end with an S, so they are all plural countries like the United States, Netherlands, Philippines. Okay, so your task is tell me which ones are cities. So we know very easily that Paris is a city and London is a city. The remaining are all countries. So you should be able to do that. Differentiating between a city and a country, because cities have a different grammar, countries have a different grammar, because countries have genders. So let's go to the next one. So let us see if you can identify the gender of the country. So all these are countries. So let's see if you can identify the gender. What is Japon? It's masculine. What is she? It's feminine. What is Anne? It's feminine. États-Unis? Plural. Very good. Iran? It's masculine, but it's starting with a vowel. What about Canada? Masculine. Espagne? Feminine. Mexico? It's an exception. So it is masculine. Well done. So let's see now, how do you say to, in, and the other preposition is from. So we have a particular grammar which goes for both to and in, and we have a particular grammar which goes for from. So when do you say the word to or in? It is when you say I go to or I live in. So the verb go and live, when you use those verbs, there's a different grammar. And when you use come from or depart from a particular place, that means you use other verbs like venir or partir. For those verbs you use a different grammar. So let's just see. For example, I am going to. That means A is for a city, and AU is for a masculine country, EN is for a feminine country, AUX is for a plural country. To live in, the same grammar. If it is a city, it is A. If it is a masculine country, it is AU. EN for a feminine country, AUX for a plural country. I come back from. Je viens de is for a city or D apostrophe if the city is starting with a vowel. Then you have masculine country du and then vowel D apostrophe. Then you have a feminine country de and then plural des. So let's see if you can do this exercise. So je vais. What does je vais mean? Je vais means I go to. So you have to choose from here. So first see if and is a city or a country. If it is a city, then I would say but and is India, it's not a city. So I have to choose based on its gender. And this feminine. So which one would I use? En. Very good. What about États-Unis? États-Unis, we don't know. We have to check the verb. I live in the United States of America. So I live in. That means again the same grammar. So I can't use because United States is not a city. So now I have to choose the gender. It is plural. So it is AUX. Well done. Je viens d'Australie. That means I'm coming back from. From is always a D word. It starts with letter D. So you have to look for a vowel. Simple, it's D apostrophe. I'm going to London. London is a city, so it's straight short answer A. What if I live in Africa? J'habite dash Africa. So this grammar, I can't use A. So I use En. Very good. I'm coming back from Mexico. Mexico is an exception. So what do I do with it? So I can't use the. If it is a masculine word, I use du. Well done. So that's it.